October 29th. I would never think a hurricane would come through New York.
Breezy Point was massively flooded through Hurricane Sandy. The majority of the homes were destroyed. Then fire took hold. You had a disaster within a disaster.
Everyone down here was, I'd say, in shock. I totally look at the ocean a whole different way now. I still love it, but
Diane was displaced from her home.
Habitat for Humanity came in and gutted the house.
She went to FEMA looking for a way to get her house rebuilt.
What it means to be safe and home are synonymous. And that feeling of home is quite important for the psychology of someone who's gone through disasters in the past.
That's the whole truth.
Diane and Ilya collaborated to build a project that was not just a response to the disaster, but also planning for the future. Flash, IBHS, the Passive House Institute, and other industry experts came together to build Diane's hurricane-strong home.
Hurricane-proofing your house, it does give you that sense of security and safety, which is one of the basic orders of human need.
Ilya is a really trusted partner with the city in helping us think through policies that support construction like this.
Diane's house is unique because we've gathered all of the guidance and ideas about resilience from all around the world. We've made a design that is relatable, it's attainable, and it's affordable.
I had no idea that a resilient house could look so beautiful.
Resilience doesn't have to look different than any other house around it, just has to perform differently. In Diane's house, we've addressed extreme heat, extreme cold, high winds, water, of course. This concrete roof tile will take wind-borne debris and damage from a Category 5 hurricane.
The way that house is built, it's not going anywhere.
Well, bouncing forward rather than bouncing back is essentially what we need to do with resilience.
This becomes the new spring point for how technologically houses will need to be built in order to properly respond to our environmental circumstances.
So we're offering Diane's house as open source, free and available for people to download. Because what we want to do is take this prototype and allow people to innovate on that platform. We're giving it to the greatest think tank out there, which is everyone.
If you have something safe and you have something that exciting, you would want to share the wealth.
Ultimately, it's an endpoint for Diane. For the community, it's more of a starting point.
Millions of people need resilience. This is the best way that we can have a global impact.